Presenting the at Rockerz 450T Rebel Edition Bluetooth headphones with up 15 hours playback, 14 drivers and padded ear cushions aqua blue. The headphones comes in color options of luscious black, aqua blue, and white purity, black star, stark red, and hazel beige. It comes with immersive HD audio, superior playback time and built-in mic, access voice assistant. It has water-resistant, no and best user experience with its comfortable padded ear cushions and lightweight design. It comes with massive battery backup of up to. It also features 40mm dynamic drivers and tap into instant wireless connectivity with optimum Bluetooth v4.2 connectivity. The delivery box contains Rockerz 450 and charging cable, user manual and warranty card. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information visit the product detail page.